Balu Graphi, freelance multimedia designer with a decade of working experience in business branding and promotion projects for a broad range of clients.
Inscriptions are a momentous source of ancient Tamil history that provide invaluable insights from the Sangam era to the late medieval period. Tamil scripts dominate the South Indian epigraphic records, documented through several periods on both stone and copper plates. Recently, the oldest Tamil script inscribed in a hero stone has been discovered and restored in Karnataka. Ancient South Indian inscriptions refer to a collection of historical records that document significant events, rulers, and cultural practices written in Tamil, Sanskrit, and Kannada languages. Recently, a 6th century hero stone with Tamil and Kannada script has been restored in the Chitradurga district of Karnataka. Hero stones are lithic inscriptions that memorialize individuals who died in battle while defending their community. They are often associated with ancestral worship. Information on these hero stones provides valuable insights into the social structures, beliefs, and customs of ancient and medieval Indian societies. In India, these memorial stones are scattered across the western and southern regions. In South India, the custom of erecting hero stones dates back to the Iron Age. The earliest hero stone, which is more than 2,400 years old, was found in the Pulimankombai region of Tamil Nadu. During the Sangam era, the basic themes connected with the memorial stones are cattle lifting and cattle retrieving. Tamil grammar literature, Tolkappiyam, describes the rules and regulations for erecting hero stones following 6 ritual processes. In the post-Sangam period, the Pallava reign witnessed the hero stone tradition. These stones continued to be erected during Ganga, Rashtrakuta, and Chola periods. Karnataka has the largest concentration of hero stones, estimated at about 3,000, and the tallest hero stone, at 12 feet, is found in the Betagiri region. Hero stones often have multiple panels that depict worshipping a deity, a warrior's life events, and inscriptions that narrate the hero's history. One of the 2 stones discovered in Chitradurga has Kannada script that describes the achievements of Gunamadhura, who ruled Masikapura. The other stone has a Tamil inscription with the text Elur Moodular Satan. Satan is identified as the stone inscriber or sculptor who carved the hero stone. The Chitradurga hero stone with Tamil inscription is the oldest in the Karnataka region, belonging to the 6th century and written in Vatteluttu Tamil script. Vatteluttu, a rounded script, was an ancient Tamil writing system used in South India. The Tamil language has a written tradition that spans more than 3 millennia. The earliest form of the Tamil script, known as Tamili, evolved 3,000 years ago. Early forms of the Tamil script were mostly found in Sramana cave inscriptions and excavated pottery fragments. Around the 3rd century, the Tamil script began to evolve into a more rounded form known as Vatteluttu. Vatteluttu script's cursive nature made it suitable for palm leaf writing, where letters were incised onto the leaf using a stylus. The earliest evidence of Vatteluttu was found on Pulankurichi rock inscriptions and numerous hero stones discovered in northern Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. The tradition of hero stones and the evolution of the Tamil script are intricately connected, providing valuable insights into the culture and history of ancient South India.